Hello guys, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel, and in today's video we will learn more about the unit change in AutoCAD. If you have ever changed units in AutoCAD using the UN command, you already know it doesn't actually scale your drawings. It only changes the units and not its scale. Today I will show you the fastest way to change both the unit and the actual size of your drawings using one simple command. So without any delay, let's jump in. As you can see, I have a rectangle that is 254 mm by 127 mm in size. When I switch to inches using the UN command, we expect the sketch to scale to 10 inches by 5 inches. Instead, it measures 254 inches by 127 inches, meaning the sketch is not scaled. Only the units have changed. In this situation, you would have to delete and redraw the geometry in inch dimension. This will work for small sketches but not for large architectural drawings. So, how can we properly convert the units in this case? To convert units, follow the methods I will show you in the next slides. To change the drawing units properly, type DWG units and click enter. Now you will get a series of prompts. As you can see, the current unit is set to 3, which represents millimeters. From this available list, choose the required unit. We need the drawing in inches, so type 1 and press enter. The second list shows the drawing unit display format. We need the decimal format, so press 2 and press enter. Next, it shows the linear display precision. This determines how many decimal places you want after the dimension value. I need a maximum of 2 decimal places here, but you can choose according to your requirement. When asked to scale objects from other drawing, choose yes. This ensures that if your current drawing contains any externally referenced geometry, like blocks, XREFs or objects originally created in different units. The next option is match insert units to drawing units. Choose yes. It means that any object you import later will automatically scale to the current size, because the insert unit now matches the drawing units. So you won't need to repeat all the conversion steps again. Scale objects in current drawing to reflect change units. Click yes. This is where the real scaling of the drawing takes place. If you click no, only the drawing unit will change, like we did using unit command. Next one, include objects in paper space. This will update the drawings and scale in layouts as well. Now your drawing may zoom out. Just double click the mouse wheel. Now you can see the sketch converted into inches. If you measure it, you will see the sketch dimension is in inches. But the decimal places are not visible, that you can enable it using Properties tab. So this is how you can convert the drawing unit and its scale. I hope you guys understood this method. If you have any doubt, please put the doubts in the comment section. I will try to answer your doubts. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.